All right, what really surprised me about this little remote control car that I received from the brand is how incredibly fast and versatile it is. This thing like rolls around, jumps around, and is all over the place. It's so fast. My daughter and I had so much fun playing with it, and it's very easy to use, very intuitive. It's just essentially up and down, and then this one is left and right, and you can spin it as well, just by going left or right if you don't put any forward or backward control in it. Also, I like that there is some lights that really pop. So let me go ahead and show you as well here. It does come with a bunch of stickers that my daughter used to decorate both sides of this. So it does operate on both sides, so when it does flip over, it can keep on going. Now, let's see if these... Whoa! What was that? I just pushed a button and it went wild. So I'm gonna push this button right here and then you can see what happens. Whoa, that's like crazy mode. It's going by itself. I'm not even doing anything. That is pretty cool. So there's definitely a crazy mode if you push that button. This thing also comes with two 3.7 volt lithium ion batteries that can be recharged. It does come with its own charging cord, and then also 3 AAA batteries for this remote control. Also change the light patterns just by clicking the top button on the left or the right. And you can get all the different colors and patterns as well. These are like the glowing patterns. There's also like a kind of like a track pattern that goes all the way around. It's like a flashing pattern, purple, all kinds of colors and patterns. So pretty neat. Overall, I'm really happy with this and especially grateful for the brand for sending out the sample, and hope you all found this helpful.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.